When your carpet starts looking tired, a regular vacuum just does not cut it anymore. Stains, pet messes, spills, and deep down dirt can stay trapped where you cannot see them. That is why choosing the right carpet cleaner can make a huge difference. In today's video on TechFact, we are checking out the top 5 best carpet cleaners in 2026, with options ranging from compact spot cleaners to powerful machines built for serious deep cleaning. I have picked 5 models that each bring something different to the table, so you can quickly see which one fits your home and cleaning needs. Stay with me until the end, because the final pick is seriously impressive. And if you enjoy useful product comparisons, hit like, subscribe to TechFact, and drop a comment telling me which carpet cleaner you would choose. Let's get into it. Number 5. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is aimed at users who want a more powerful, professional-style approach to deep carpet cleaning. Its heavy-duty construction and strong cleaning performance make it particularly suitable for larger carpeted spaces and areas that collect significant amounts of dirt over time. The machine uses powerful suction to extract cleaning solution and loosen debris from deep within carpet fibers, helping leave carpets cleaner without relying on surface-level cleaning alone. Its large cleaning path also allows you to cover more carpet with each pass, which can be useful when tackling multiple rooms. The overall build feels substantially more robust than lightweight portable cleaners, making it better suited to demanding cleaning sessions. It is not the smallest option here, but that is part of its purpose. This machine is designed around serious cleaning rather than maximum portability. And the unique feature is its professional-grade style design and powerful extraction system give it an advantage for deep cleaning larger carpeted areas where compact machines may require considerably more passes. Number 4. Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. The Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner takes a completely different approach from large full-size carpet machines. Its compact design makes it especially useful for targeted cleaning when you do not want to bring out a bulky appliance. It can handle carpets, upholstery, stairs, car interiors, and other fabric surfaces where spills and stains commonly appear. The machine sprays cleaning solution onto the affected area and uses suction to pull away dirt and moisture, making it practical for quick cleanup jobs. Its portability is a major advantage because you can carry it directly to the mess instead of moving furniture or preparing an entire room. This makes it particularly handy for families, pet owners, and anyone who regularly deals with accidental spills. Despite its small footprint, it provides dedicated extraction rather than simply wiping the surface. Its unique feature is its compact portable format is what makes the Little Green different from full-size competitors, giving you a convenient spot cleaning solution that can easily move from carpets to upholstery and even vehicle interiors. Number 3. Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner is built for people who want effective deep cleaning without constantly adjusting the machine themselves. Its biggest attraction is the automatic cleaning system, which senses movement and helps control the cleaning process as you push and pull the machine across the carpet. That makes the experience feel much more straightforward, especially for first-time carpet cleaner users. Designed with pet owners in mind, it is well suited to homes dealing with fur, tracked in dirt, and common pet-related carpet messes. The machine combines cleaning solution with strong extraction to lift dirt from carpet fibers while removing excess moisture. Its larger full-size design also makes it more practical when you need to clean several rooms rather than just one small area. The overall approach is simple. Move forward to clean and pull back to dry and extract. And the unique feature of Smartwash automatic cleaning technology is the key difference, because the machine handles the cleaning solution and extraction process automatically instead of relying heavily on manual controls. Number 2. Shark Carpet Expert EX151. The Shark Carpet Expert EX151 is a smart option for anyone who wants powerful carpet cleaning without dealing with an overly complicated machine. Its standout strength is the combination of strong extraction and Shark's specialized cleaning technology, helping lift embedded dirt and deal with everyday carpet messes effectively. The design is particularly appealing for homes where carpets, rugs, and upholstery regularly need attention. Instead of simply soaking the surface, the machine works to loosen grime before extracting the dirty water, which can make a noticeable difference on high-traffic areas. Its portable style also makes it easier to move around the home compared with much larger professional-style carpet cleaners. The X151 is useful for handling spills, tracked and dirt, and general carpet refreshes when you want more cleaning power than a standard vacuum can provide. It also fits nicely into a routine where quick access matters. Unique feature of Shark's Carpet Expert cleaning approach stands out by combining targeted stain treatment with powerful extraction, giving this machine a more focused cleaning experience than basic carpet cleaners. Number 1. Bissell Revolution Hydro Steam Carpet Cleaner. If you want serious carpet cleaning with extra help on stubborn messes, the Bissell Revolution Hydro Steam Carpet Cleaner is a standout choice. Its biggest advantage is Hydro Steam technology, which combines steam with cleaning action to help tackle tough, stuck-on stains, while its powerful suction works to pull away dirt and moisture. It is especially designed with pet households in mind, making it useful for muddy paw prints, everyday spills, and areas where carpets receive heavy traffic. The machine also includes specialized cleaning modes, allowing you to choose the approach that fits the mess instead of treating every stain the same way. Its larger design feels more like a full-size carpet cleaning machine than a lightweight spot cleaner, so it is better suited to refreshing bigger carpeted areas. Another practical advantage is its focus on pet messes, giving owners a more targeted solution for frequent accidents. Unique feature. Hydro Steam technology is what really separates this cleaner from many conventional carpet machines, adding steam to the cleaning process for difficult stains. So, those were our top 5 best carpet cleaners in 2026, and each one brings its own advantage to the cleaning game. Whether you need portable spot cleaning, pet-focused performance, or powerful deep cleaning for larger carpets, there is a solid option here for different needs. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one would you pick for your home? Drop your choice in the comments below. If this comparison helped you narrow things down, give the video a like and subscribe to Tech Fact for more honest, useful product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.